I want to talk to you today about how to install a theme on your WordPress website. Whenever you first install WordPress, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into your dashboard and you're going to want to pick a theme. Okay, so you'll click Appearances, then you'll go to Theme, and underneath your theme, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Add New at the top. Now, there are going to be those that people like, the latest ones, and the favorites, and then filters you can use. Filters is just going to basically be whatever your likes are. So if you want something that's got customized header, customized menu, editor style, footers and a widget, just whatever you like. If you like certain columns to be in certain sides, you can do 2 columns, one on the left, one on the right. There's just it gives you different options, and then you would just simply, it's going to show all the ones you click up here, as you can see. Then you would just click that whenever you finish, and then it will bring up all of those that you select that have that. What I usually do is I usually go to the latest, and the reason why I go to the latest is because by going to the latest, you're being sure that you're going to be getting a theme that is being updated, you know, pretty regularly. You don't want a theme that they're not updating. So anything under latest is gonna be updated. So you just scroll down, look for one that you like. Let's say you like this one. You just click on it, and then you would click install. And once you would click install, then it would show up in your actual theme, and then you can activate it. Okay, but since I already have one activated, I'm not going to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to themes and show you what you would do once it's installed. So once it's installed, under your themes page right here, this is what would show up. Okay, and remember, if it's going to by default have one already, so you'll have your new one show up right on the side of this one, and when it shows up, you would just simply click activate. So then this one would be the one that would show up for your website, the one that you activate, and it would come on this side. So the first thing you would want to do is click customize. You could either did it at that button at the bottom or on the left underneath theme is customize. So once you hit customize, it's going to take a second for it all to show up. You're going to have a menu on the left, and then you're going to have the home page on the right side, and you're going to go through the list. You're going to hit site title, and under site title it should give you the option for a logo, site, put your tagline. Now if you're going to be using a logo, you're not going to have a site title. If you're not going to be using the logo, put your site title in. This one gives you the option to put a favicon in. A favicon is going to be what shows up to the left of your website address where your domain name is. That's what a favicon is. Theme options. Theme options, you know, it'll give you different things like colors that you want to use for site links, colors for the text on your site, headers, colors, and all those different things. Social profiles will be in your customizer sometimes, depending on what theme you get. Sometimes you'll have something for a newsletter, and it will have by default a particular type of form that it likes to use. But you don't have to use the newsletter. You can use your own newsletter through whoever you use. But one of the things that you're always going to have is you're always going to have, do you want it to be your home page as your static page, and then you would just scroll down and pick which one's going to be your home page. Do you want it to be your latest article? So if you would click that, then all your articles would show up over here, you see. So I just leave mine as the static page and for the home, but you're welcome to do whatever works for you. Now This one's just got a bunch of different options. So you would just scroll down your customizer on the left and just click on all the different options that you have. And once you do all that, you're going to go to the top. You're going to make sure that this little bar is all the way up so that you see your save button at the top and that you save everything that you've customized in your customizer. Then you're going to X out to the left of that at the top. And then it should show you what your actual home is going to look like. So you would just go to your home, and you should have your logo at the top. You should have your menu set, because some of them have a menu in there, and you should have all your options on what your home page is going to look like in your theme. So that's how you install a theme. That's how you would actually get your theme customized, and then from there you would just go into either doing your article or doing your home, doing your about, or your contact. So that would be your next step, is setting up how you want your site to read and what you want them to know about you, how to contact you, and all those different things. So I hope you found this to be insightful for you. This is how you set up a WordPress theme. And remember, all themes are not the same, so just take your time and scroll through one that you like, and you can preview it before you activate it and see